Here I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and when you're in camera you just have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I just hold it and I took like 20 shots right now. Here I can review them and pick the one which fits me most. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.